I have a banana. Here's my banana. Because yesterday, my friend called me and then we have a bonding. The three of my friend, and then some other friend, they are both banana, and then call that one, we are going to the cafe bonding time with my friend, and then they have